in Malaysia, present in more than 20 countries, with 12 million very active stockholders worldwide, headed by Datu Jessie Lai, a businesswoman, very successful, educator, mentor, coach, motivator, recently awarded by European Business Association Queen Victoria Awards. Best in e-commerce ang Moonspace, diversified businesses in a lot of sectors. E-commerce, online products with billion-dollar market in China, Nasdaq listed, stocks exchange businesses, luxury hotel, industrial properties in Vietnam, hotel, resorts, island resort, island properties, Icon Space luxury condominium and buildings, island, yan po, island resort po yan, agro plantation, cooperative company, very active in financial industry, soon to have a Moonspace Bank, affiliated with Visa Card, Skyline Airlines for its aviation industry, telecommunication, SIM card, cellphone, ang daming produkto, ang daming diversified businesses. It's a multi-billion dollar company. Kaya kapatid, napakagandang pagkakataon to na to be stockholder ng company Moonspace Multinational Corporation. Paano ba sila makakatulong sa atin? Hindi ka dealer dito, hindi ka seller. You are a valued stockholder ng company. No need, hindi ka benta-benta rito. Kumbaga, we are a valued client ng company. Yung 7,600 na puhunan, payment mo yun sa stocks as stockholder. 7,006 per share, succeeding entries or accounts would be charged as 6,008 payment. Doon sa 7,006, 6,008 doon, yun yung 1 share mo. 800 as registration fee for Moonspace Multinational Corporation. Equivalent nun ay 500 product points. After 31 days, yung 500 will be equivalent to 100 US platinum chips, US dollar pa. Then yung 100 na yun, ang equivalent value nun ay 1,000 MS coin. Cryptocurrency MS coin with 0.1 US dollar value. Plus 500 na MS coin, goodwill from the company. So you have a total of 1,500 MS coin. Okay? MS coin dun sa nilabas mong 7,600. For example, presently, 0.1 ang kanyang value, the lowest ever. Starting day 1, June 1, ang value mo ng 1,005.1 US dollar, so equivalent value niyan ay 7,500 pesos. After a day or 2 or 2 weeks from now, day 15, nag-increase ng 0.2 ang value ng stocks, double kagad. 15,000 pesos kaagad ang pera ng value ng stocks mo or 300 US dollar. After 30 days, naging 0.3. Instantly, 450 US dollar kaagad ang value ng pera mo, which is equivalent to 22,500 pesos. At kung sakasakali, after day 90, naging $1 ang value ng stocks natin, you have 1,500 US dollar, which is 75,000 pesos. Projected nila na 10 US dollar ang value ng stocks. Assuming $5 na lang, meron kang 7,500 dollar. Ang equivalent value nun ay 375 pesos sa nilabas mong 7,600 as 1 share. Ganyan kaganda yung stocks, kapatid. Kaya, kapatid, pakaisipin mo mabuti. Dito ang magandang negosyo. Walang stress. Yan po. At kung sakasakali mag-i-invite ka, yung introducer fee, may 100 points ka. May leveling bonus na 300. Ito yung para sa mga mag-i-invite at mag-chichika, mag-share, magpapaliwanag sa kung gusto nilang maging stockholder, hindi dealer, hindi taga-benta, kundi valued client. Kaya ang mangyayari, kung naka-invite ka ng dalawa, may dalawa kang, may introducer bonus ka na 200, may leveling bonus ka na 300. So, instantly, may 500 points ka. Yung 500 points, kapatid, 6,800 pesos na kaagad yun. we are offering you 3 shares. Ang equivalent value po niyan ay yan, 21,200 at meron ka kaagad na 6,800 na bonus plus 300 points. Tulungan effort tayo. It will take time for us to pair. At kung gusto mo naman yung 5 shares, ang equivalent value ay 34,800. Ang income mo kaagad dyan, pag naparisan or na-pair natin ay 20,400 dahil may 1,600 points ka. Doon sa 6 shares, 41,600 pesos. Ang income bonus mo kaagad ay 27,200. It takes time kasi team effort tayo. I-pair namin, paparisan namin yung entry mo para kumita ka kaagad. Etong maganda, 18 accounts mo, 122,000 ang halaga. Meron kang 36 accounts na libre worth 244 dahil mas maraming shares, mas maraming stocks, mas malaki yung blessing mo. Kaya in principle, meron kang 54 accounts na ang inilabas mo lamang ay 122,400. After 12 months, ang value nung at stocks mo na 54 accounts would be 1.3 projected million pesos. 1.3 po, this is for long term. At the same time, very secured yung website natin, kaya very protected yung login password natin. All you need to do kung gusto mo magpa-register is prepare for your name,